Everyone, so this is all the collection of my belts right now. Since all of them, the design will be similar, just a bit slight difference on the grips. So all the all the belts I put on eBay or anywhere would be redirect to this video only. So please take a look carefully on the pictures to see the difference, to see if you are really beating what you want. So this orders are from what you are, and as I differentiate that there's two kinds of grips difference. This one marks the days, and this one with no names, but refer to the designs seem to be earlier stuff, earlier than this one. You can adjust the length by the grips. You want a shorter, clip it. If you want longer, like this, longer, shorter. All these, all got a similar design. You see another one? All together will be similar design and very durable. So enjoy the fitting. See you.